Hi, I'm Patrice, the lead instructor and representative for the Greatwood Dental Assistant program here in Sugar Land. Today, I will give you a closer look at the hands-on portion of our 10-week certification program and what the potential students can expect. We place a strong emphasis on practical, hands-on training alongside academic learning. Our goal is to ensure that students build confidence and competence through the hands-on practice before you graduate. Let's start with one of our core skills in our program, taking x-rays. As the saying goes, practice makes perfect, and this couldn't be truer for x-ray techniques. While you won't find a book that can truly teach you how to take x-rays, regular practice will make you better. We start teaching x-rays early in the course and continue to master these skills throughout the program, ensuring you're completely comfortable by the end. Next, we cover the two main types of impression used in dental offices, alginate and PVC. Alginate impressions are used for diagnostic models, night guards, retainers, and bleaching trays. PVC impressions, on the other hand, are essential for crowns, bridges, partials, and dentures. You get the hands-on experience with both types, learning how and when to use them effectively. Digital scanning. With the introduction of a new technology in dental field, many practices are now using digital scanning. At the Greatwood Dental Assistant program, we are proud to offer students a chance to practice with a scanner. Unlike traditional impressions, which can be messy and uncomfortable for patients, the digital scanning is quick, clean, and efficient. As for dental professionals, digital scanning eliminates the need for pouring models and mailing cases to the lab. Instead, we can scan the teeth in under 10 minutes and the lab receives the data instantly. Chairside. A key part of working as a dental assistant is assisting the dentist chairside. In our program, you will gain invaluable hands-on experience with Dr. Jeff Riley, who will join our class to teach you the ins and outs of chairside assistance, such as the expectations and method of becoming a sound dental assistant. Having a dentist give you direct guidance and expectations are unique to our program and set us apart from other RDA schools in Houston area. CPR. Being prepared for emergencies is crucial in any medical field. Sometimes dental offices may encounter medical emergencies, and it's your duty as a professional to assist and recognize when there's an emergency. That's why we include CPR training in our curriculum. And at the end of every program, you have the chance to learn life-saving techniques from Mrs. Marion, our dedicated CPR instructor. She's incredibly passionate about her job and will ensure you're well prepared for any situation. Remember, practice is the key to mastering your skills. That's why we also give the students the opportunity to apply what they learn on Saturdays by coming in during the week to practice in the real office setting with the dentist and the rest of the staff. This exposure to various procedures such as wisdom tooth extractions, implant placement, and crown and bridge work will further enhance your learning experience. If this sounds like the right fit for you, visit our website at www.gdap.net to learn more and take your education to the next level. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you start your journey in the dental field.